Hi friends, today I will be showing you how to create your account in Yahoo Mail. Before showing you the steps, please subscribe to our channel to get more updates on our new videos. Please download the Yahoo app from your Google Play Store. As you can see, already I have downloaded it. Please click on the app to open. Now you have Yahoo Mail, Gmail, Outlook and AOL. Please click on Yahoo Mail. Here you have something called add account. Please click on add account. After going to add account, you can see down, don't you have an account, sign up. Please click on that, sign up. Here please give your name and the email address you want it to be. And please give the password. And please choose your country code to enter your mobile number. Okay, please give your password stronger. Okay, enter your mobile number. Give your date of birth. And the gender. And click on continue. Okay, you will get an access key, that is kind of OTP to your mobile number. Please click as text and please wait for some time. Sometimes it will take some time to get the OTP. Please be patient. You will get your OTP to the mobile number which you have entered. And even there is a countdown going on. So within that, if you get your OTP, that's fine. Otherwise, you can once again tell us not got the OTP, send once again. As you can see, still I have not got the OTP. I will wait for some more time to get the OTP. Sometimes it will be late due to some technical problem from Yahoo end or due to some network issue in the phone. As you can see, I have not got till the time gone. You can click on resend. Okay, I got the OTP. Click on verify. Yeah, please wait. As you can see, you have been successfully created your account. Please click on continue. As you can see, your Yahoo account has been created. It is taking you to your inbox. Okay, click on OK. And as you can see, this is your Yahoo inbox. See, just now I created that your account. This is Yahoo inbox. If you want me to show once again, okay, this is your Yahoo inbox. This is how to create your account. As you can see, you have a welcome mail also, Yahoo mail, welcome to Yahoo. Just now I created this email. Okay, this is how to create your email ID in Yahoo account. Thank you.